Your computer is under attack right now whether you realize it or not. But not all protection is created equal. But did you know there are actually 10 completely different types of antivirus software, each one defending you in a completely different way? By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one keeps you truly safe. Let's get into it. Signature-based antivirus. Signature-based antivirus is the original and most traditional form of malware detection, comparing files on your computer against a massive database of known malware fingerprints to identify and block threats that have already been discovered and cataloged. Every piece of malware has a unique digital signature, a specific pattern of code that security researchers extract once a new threat is identified. And signature-based antivirus continuously scans your system, comparing every file against millions of these known signatures. Norton, McAfee, and traditional antivirus products built their foundation on signature detection, maintaining massive databases that are updated multiple times daily as security researchers worldwide identify new malware variants and add their signatures to the shared detection database. The fundamental limitation of signature-based detection is that it can only catch threats that have already been identified and cataloged. Brand new malware called zero-day threats will pass through signature detection completely undetected until researchers discover and add it to the database. Despite this limitation, signature-based detection remains a critical foundational layer in modern security software, efficiently and reliably catching the overwhelming majority of malware in circulation, which consists of known threats and minor variations of previously identified malware families. Heuristic-based antivirus. Heuristic-based antivirus analyzes the structure, code patterns, and characteristics of files to identify potentially malicious software based on suspicious traits, even when the file has never been seen before and has no matching signature in any database. Rather than asking, does this file match a known threat, heuristic analysis asks, does this file behave like malware typically behaves, examining characteristics like attempts to hide its presence, unusual code obfuscation, suspicious system calls, and structural patterns common in malicious software. This approach allows heuristic antivirus to catch previously unknown malware variants and even some genuinely new threats, providing protection against the zero-day gap that pure signature detection cannot address, since malicious behavior patterns often persist even when specific code changes. The trade-off of heuristic detection is a higher rate of false positives. Legitimate software that exhibits unusual but harmless characteristics can sometimes be incorrectly flagged as malicious, requiring users to occasionally make judgment calls about files their security software has flagged with uncertainty. Modern antivirus products combine heuristic analysis with signature detection as complementary layers, using signatures to efficiently catch known threats, while heuristics provide a safety net for novel malware that has not yet been cataloged in any signature database. Behavioral-based antivirus monitors what programs actually do when they run, rather than analyzing their code structure, watching for malicious actions like unauthorized file encryption, attempts to access sensitive system areas, or unusual network communication patterns that indicate an active attack in progress. This detection method operates in real time as programs execute, rather than trying to predict whether code will be malicious before it runs. Behavioral detection observes actual program behavior and intervenes when genuinely malicious actions begin occurring. Ransomware protection has become one of the most important applications of behavioral detection, monitoring for the specific pattern of rapid sequential file encryption that characterizes ransomware attacks, allowing security software to halt the attack and limit damage, even if the specific ransomware variant has never been seen before. CrowdStrike and SentinelOne have built advanced enterprise security platforms centered on behavioral detection, using sophisticated monitoring of process behavior, system calls, and network activity to identify attacks based on what they do rather than what they look like. The significant advantage of behavioral detection is its effectiveness against entirely novel attack techniques, because it focuses on the fundamental actions that malicious software must perform to achieve its goals, rather than specific code patterns. Behavioral detection remains effective even against sophisticated attacks, specifically designed to evade signature and heuristic analysis. Cloud-based antivirus. Cloud-based antivirus offloads the resource-intensive work of malware analysis from the local computer to powerful remote servers, sending file information to cloud infrastructure for analysis, rather than relying entirely on local processing power and locally stored threat databases. This architecture provides significant advantages over purely local antivirus. Cloud infrastructure can maintain vastly larger and more current threat databases than would be practical to store on individual computers, and can apply more sophisticated analysis techniques using server-grade computing resources. Bitdefender and Webroot pioneered lightweight cloud-based antivirus products that maintain minimal local footprint, using cloud analysis to keep the software running on the user's computer extremely lightweight, while still providing comprehensive protection through cloud-based intelligence. The collective intelligence advantage of cloud-based antivirus is particularly powerful. When the cloud system identifies a new threat on any single user's computer anywhere in the world, that threat intelligence becomes immediately available to protect every other user connected to the same cloud service. The primary limitation of cloud-based antivirus is dependency on internet connectivity. Devices without reliable internet access cannot benefit from real-time cloud analysis, though most modern cloud antivirus products maintain a baseline of local detection capability for offline protection. Enterprise Endpoint Protection. Enterprise endpoint protection platforms provide centralized security management across every device connected to an organization's network, combining traditional antivirus capabilities with comprehensive visibility and control that individual consumer products do not offer. CrowdStrike Falcon, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, and SentinelOne are leading enterprise platforms that protect potentially thousands of devices across an organization from a single centralized management console, allowing security teams to monitor, configure, and respond to threats across their entire device fleet. Endpoint detection and response capability distinguishes enterprise platforms from consumer antivirus. Beyond simply blocking known threats, these systems provide detailed forensic visibility into exactly what happened during an attack, supporting investigation and response to sophisticated targeted attacks. The centralized management console allows security teams to deploy policy changes, push updates, and respond to active threats across the entire organization simultaneously, capability that becomes essential as organizations grow beyond the size where individually managing each device's security software remains practical. Enterprise platforms typically integrate threat intelligence feeds, automated response capabilities, and detailed compliance reporting features that support the broader security and regulatory requirements that organizations face beyond the basic malware protection that individual consumers need. Mobile antivirus. Mobile antivirus applications protect smartphones and tablets from malware, malicious applications, phishing attempts, and other mobile-specific threats, addressing the distinct security challenges that mobile operating systems and app ecosystems present compared to traditional computing. The mobile threat landscape differs significantly from desktop computing. Malicious applications disguised as legitimate apps in official and third-party app stores represent the primary infection vector, rather than the email attachments and downloaded files that dominate desktop malware distribution. Android devices face a meaningfully higher malware risk than iPhones due to the more open application installation model that Android permits. Apple's strict App Store review process and prohibition on installing apps from outside the App Store significantly reduces the malware infection surface on iOS devices. Mobile antivirus products, including Bitdefender Mobile Security and Norton Mobile Security, scan installed applications for malicious behavior, monitor for phishing links in messages and emails, and provide Wi-Fi security analysis to identify potentially compromised or malicious wireless networks. The unique mobile threat of malicious QR codes and SMS-based phishing, called smishing, has grown increasingly significant as mobile devices become primary computing devices for billions of users, with mobile antivirus products increasingly incorporating specific protections against these mobile-native attack vectors. Free antivirus. Free antivirus products provide basic malware protection without subscription cost, supported by alternative revenue models, including premium upgrade upselling, bundled software partnerships, and, in some cases, monetization of anonymized usage data. Windows Defender, built into every modern Windows operating system at no additional cost, has evolved from a widely criticized basic tool into a genuinely competent security product. Independent testing organizations now regularly rate it as providing protection comparable to many paid alternatives for typical home users. Avast and AVG, both owned by the same parent company, represent the most widely installed third-party free antivirus products, though both have faced documented controversies regarding data collection and sale of user browsing information to advertising and analytics companies. The business model tension inherent in free antivirus products deserves careful consideration. Security software requires ongoing investment in threat research and infrastructure, and free products must generate revenue through some mechanism, whether through advertising, data monetization, or aggressive upgrade prompts. For typical home users with basic security needs, Windows Defender, combined with careful browsing habits and software update discipline, provides reasonably effective protection without the privacy trade-offs that have affected some third-party free antivirus products. Next-generation antivirus. Next-generation antivirus represents the modern evolution of malware protection, combining artificial intelligence, machine learning, and behavioral analysis to identify threats based on sophisticated pattern recognition rather than relying primarily on traditional signature matching. Machine learning models in next-generation antivirus are trained on millions of examples of both malicious and legitimate software, learning to recognize the subtle characteristics that distinguish malware from legitimate programs in ways that go beyond what human-written detection rules could capture. Sentinel-1 and CrowdStrike Falcon represent leading next-generation antivirus platforms that have largely replaced traditional signature-based products in enterprise environments, providing significantly higher detection rates against sophisticated and novel threats while reducing the false positive burden that plagued earlier heuristic systems. The artificial intelligence models underlying next-generation antivirus continuously improve through ongoing training on new threat data, creating detection capability that becomes more sophisticated over time without requiring the constant manual signature updates that traditional antivirus depends upon. The computational sophistication of next-generation antivirus comes with meaningfully higher resource requirements and cost compared to traditional signature-based products, positioning these solutions primarily for organizations facing sophisticated targeted threats rather than typical home computing environments. Internet Security Suites. Internet Security Suites bundle antivirus protection with a comprehensive collection of additional security tools, including firewalls, VPN services, password managers, parental controls, and identity theft protection into a single integrated product addressing multiple security needs simultaneously. Norton 360 and McAfee Total Protection represent comprehensive security suites that have evolved significantly beyond basic antivirus, recognizing that effective digital security requires multiple coordinated protective layers rather than malware detection alone. The integrated approach of security suites provides genuine convenience advantages. Rather than managing separate subscriptions and applications for antivirus, VPN, and password management, users access all these capabilities through a single unified application and account. Parental control features included in many security suites allow families to manage children's internet access, screen time, and content filtering from the same platform that protects the family's devices from malware, addressing the broader digital safety needs of households beyond pure malware protection. The trade-off of comprehensive security suites is that individual components may not match the quality of specialized standalone products in each category. A bundled VPN within a security suite typically offers fewer server locations and features than a dedicated VPN service, requiring users to weigh convenience against best-in-class performance for each specific tool. Open source antivirus. Open source antivirus software publishes its complete detection engine source code publicly, allowing security researchers and the broader community to examine exactly how the software identifies threats, verify its effectiveness, and contribute improvements to its detection capabilities. ClamAV is the most widely used open source antivirus engine. Originally designed for scanning email attachments on mail servers, it has become foundational infrastructure used by countless other security products and services that incorporate its detection engine into their own platforms. The transparency of open source antivirus enables independent verification that closed source commercial products cannot provide. Security researchers can examine exactly how detection works, identify any limitations or weaknesses, and verify that the software functions exactly as documented without hidden behaviors. Open source antivirus engines are frequently incorporated as components within larger commercial security products and email filtering systems, providing foundational malware detection capability that other developers build additional features and interfaces around rather than developing detection engines from scratch. The community-driven development model of open source antivirus means that signature updates and detection improvements come from a distributed network of contributors worldwide, though this can result in less centralized coordination and potentially slower response to certain emerging threats compared to dedicated commercial security research teams. That covers 10 antivirus software types explained. If this video helped you understand something new, make sure you subscribe to ByteSimple right now, because next week we are breaking down 10 data encryption types explained. And trust me, you do not want to miss that one. Drop a comment below and tell us which antivirus are you using right now. See you in the next one.